This is an aluminum can decoating furnace ready for delivery. Before shipment, the system is fully tested, and the customer visited our factory for on-site inspection. Crushed and sorted aluminum cans are fed continuously and evenly. Stable feeding is the first step to consistent decoating performance. Inside the furnace, aluminum passes through a controlled high-temperature process. Paints and coatings are fully decomposed without oxidizing the aluminum. The output aluminum is clean and low in impurities, ready for direct melting with higher recovery and market value. During testing, the customer was highly satisfied with the performance, decoating quality, and automation level. If you are looking for a reliable and profitable aluminum can decoating solution, this system has been proven and approved by real customers. We are ready to ship your order. Welcome to visit our factory. Place an order or inquire. Contact us today to get your customized solution.